Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, the season just started and listen, nothing has changed with Usne. Sne is crying at the beginning of the season, busy promising Umatela, telling her, Wuti, listen, I'm gonna do things. Ngizobonga for taking care of Utando. I'm just like, what's different? Each and every season, this is how Usne starts off the season, you guys. But is God Asendaba in this episode of, or rather the scene of Usne and Umawake, Umatele and Umusa, guys? Anyway, guys, Usne comes in. She thanks Umatele, telling Umatele ukuthi listen, she still wants to do great things for her and whatnot. Umusa then brings up indaba from last season. Yokuthi wena Sne phela ukhombe ingane zami ngomese. You are pointing at your siblings with a knife. And Umatele was like, Aibo, Usne, she was drunk. Usne, when you need to teach yourself, if one glass is enough, you must know your limit. Usne, in her diary session, says she was not drunk. Guys, I said at that time, Usne looked pap drunk from her eyes. You could see how Kelly is intoxicated. But listen, she's still denying, saying she's not intoxicated, and saying one thing about her family is that they will accuse her of doing things, and even though she tries to explain, they will not hear whatever she wants to say. Now Matalo goes on to say, Sne, listen, it's not about the big things, it's about the small things. If you can just be home when we need you, whenever we need you, you always disappear. Able guys, Usne goes on to say in a diary session, which is sometimes she needs time to be alone. Hi, bo. I'm just like this girl that she forgets ngane. Sometimes I feel like guys, Usne lives like a person who doesn't have children. Yes, when you have children, guys, you need your alone time, but you don't have that privilege of just disappearing whenever you want to, in the name of you want to be alone. Hey, bo. And then Musage goes in on it, and then Usne just gets up and she gets irritated, and she says, baba. I'm like, Sne? Hi, bo, threatening Uchi she's going to delete herself just because her father is confronting her. And then she goes on to say, Uchi, no, ubaba bokumele ukuthi angihlalise phansi akhulume nami. I'm like, ukhulunya kanjani now, Sne, when every time people talk to you, you get up and leave. I ke umusa azeles gaxa sendaba ukuthi phela a phone call came in. Ukuthi they want to lobola Usne, and Usne, guys, played someone's son. This, or at least from what I understood, guys, it looks like this guy had intentions of marrying Usne. Kandu Usne was double-crossing this guy. She decides to go to Durban and stays in Durban, I don't know for how long, with another guy. Kandu Usne is going to be exposed by a friend to say, Usne, while there's a guy who's interested in marrying her, she's busy in Durban with another guy. Manju makalia buzugutaibo indaba yanoboni pelelepi. But anyway, Usne is angry and she says, listen, I don't know wuti pelelepi. Ay bosne, why you zalangen abantu ganjalo? But Umusa is adamant to wuti, he does not want that lobola. And I get it, you guys, or I get it rather from the perspective of why should you accept unobola yomuntu when you can see your daughter's not ready? And then she's going to, able guys, I get that standpoint of Umusa. And Leske he has other reasons, because it looks like there are other reasons that he has from previous seasons of why he would not accept Usne's Robola. I get, guys, let's park it right there. We don't know. I saw somewhere on Twitter where people were like, hey, bo, guys, Usne is actually expecting. I'm like, expecting Jani? Is it not Usne that came and did a live on TikTok telling us she just gained weight there on this episode? She says she wants to lose weight. I'm just like, Sme. Hey, guys, let's park it right there. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.